everybody. Today this is a special video. It's all about desserts. This is a dessert spread. And yeah, let's check this out. This is homemade baklava, homemade cake, homemade cake, homemade cake, and homemade brownie, homemade pudding, and I think this is also homemade. But this homemade baklava, you know, this baklava is for every culture. The Turks have it, Greeks have it, in Arab culture too, baklava. This is so light and fluffy. The crunch, did you hear the crunch? And this cake, this is carrot cake with walnuts, homemade. And this is also homemade, but